So in this section of the video, we will learn how can we create a free AWS account for using AWS Cloud and its services. So first of all, you have to sign up for AWS. Just put your username and a password. You will get a verification code. Just click on put the verification code and then fill the details, that is like phone number and all the things. Now the next part is signing up is to put the credit card details. So do not afraid, just put your credit card details. It will deduct 2 rupees from your account and will give you a 1-year subscription for using the AWS free services. So I'm putting my credit card details and the other detail. Now, so there is a transaction of 2 rupees from my credit card account. I am submitting the OTP. So this account is created. I am selecting the basic plan. And now the process has been done. Now here few more details, and as you will find the home page of the AWS console. Here you will find few services of AWS. Now this video tutorial we are going to learn how can you deploy a static website to Amazon Web Service Cloud using S3. So first of all, what is S3? Let it be clear that S3 is simple storage services that stores data for user in the Amazon cloud. So when you log into your AWS console and you will find here console home, just click here on services. Since I am using it for a long time, so this S3, EC2, this is all visible, but in your case it may not. So just click on services and you will find here all services, where you find many services are there. Once you click on all services, just search for S3. Here you will find many services just like EC2, EBS, RDS, DynamoDB, AWS Lambda, VPC, AWS IAM, CloudTrail. So in next coming videos, we will learn how to use these services. But now in this video, we will learn about S3. So just click on S3 and you will find here Amazon S3. At the left section, you will find bucket access point, object lambda access point, multi-region access point, batch operation, and these all things. So here this one bucket is already created since I am running one static website already using Amazon S3. But in this video, I will create a fresh bucket and deploy a static website for running on web server. So here, for creating a basket, you just click on create basket Here you will find you have to put some information. So just name your basket a unique name. So I am giving here I named it. And now here you will find two options, ACL disable and ACL enable. So if you disable this, all objects in the bucket are owned by this account. Access to the bucket and its object are specified using these only policies. But if you want to use it more freely, you just click on ACL enable, so that we can make our item public using ACL. So in this, object in the bucket can be owned by other AWS account, and access to the bucket and objects can be specified using ACL. So once you make all the items public, it will make more easier. Okay. Now here by default you will find this, all the blocks, all the public access is blocked. So just uncheck this. When you uncheck this, so it can be accessed through public. Now just click on this. I acknowledge that the current setting might result the bucket in the object within becoming public. Now scroll down. If you want to use server side encryption, then enable it, otherwise make it disable. Since we are just learning, so I am making these default settings. I am using this default setting. In the advanced setting, object lock, we do not need this setting. Just click on create basket. Here the name has already been given, so I am giving it another name, YPTech2. Okay. Now again we have to check whether the name is available or not. Yes, it is, name is available, and you will find this YPTech2. Here the bucket has been created. Now just click on the bucket. So here you will find there is no object. So it's a kind of a hard disk or a storage device that is available on AWS cloud. So you just have to upload the pages or the content that you want to run on web server statically, just a static website or web pages that do not have access of database or anything else. So we will put some web pages here. I click on upload, and now I click on add files. In download, so here is the index. I am uploading the index, and now another add file. Here is the one CSS file. So only 2 files are there, and now just click on upload. So you as you see, you can upload a whole bunch of set of your web pages or a project that you created, or you have already been uploaded to some another web server like GoDaddy or hosting or anything else. So you can just extract or export the whole project and upload here. Or you have a project for your study or just for the hobby purpose, you can just upload this. Now click on this, and now go to action. Here you have to make it public using ACL. So just click on make public. Okay. So it is publicly, it can be accessed through publicly, it is publicly accessed, it can be accessed. So just close it. Now go to the properties again and just scroll down. So here you will find static website hosting. You just click on edit and just enable it. When you enable it, it will ask you the index document. See, index document is the page that runs when you opens a website. See, if you create a page of name index.html or index.php, it does not require to be specified when you run the project. But here you have to you have to specify the name of the page that will be loaded when you open a website. Means when you open this project. So here index.html, this is the name of our project. Here is the error document optional. This is written when then or error occurs. So if you already created an error document, just click the name of that error document, the name of that file. Otherwise, leave it blank. If you want to make some more rules or a policy, you can write here. So we had nothing to do now. Host a static website, anything is always clear. Now click on save changes. So as you can see, just go back to objects. I think all is good. Now go to properties again and just scroll down. At the bottom of the page you will find this URL. And you will find the link here. You can just copy that link or you just click on this link. So as you can see, our web page that we uploaded on S3 is successfully deployed. So what is next? Next is here you will find this URL. So you just copy this URL and you have if you have an active domain that you purchase or you purchase freely or from a free node, so you can just associate that domain to this URL. So if you purchase a domain and just forward this to this URL, so this website that you uploaded on S3 will be live. Since it is already it is live, but you can associate it with the domain. So this is the very basic procedure to host or deploy a static website to from on Amazon S3 using Amazon S3 that is available on AWS. For more such videos, you can just click on subscribe to my channel. In the next video, we will learn about EC2, that Amazon EC2, where we will learn about how can you deploy a full-fledged dynamic website that has the database and all the things. So how can you manage and how can you deploy and manage the whole website through Amazon using EC2.